This video will be showing how to add a device in BioStar 2. First, make sure that your device is compatible with BioStar. Please refer to the link in the description for device compatibilities. If your device is compatible, click on the device page. If your device is in device to server mode and is already configured to connect to your server, refresh your browser and it will appear in the waiting device list. Otherwise, if your device is in a different subnet than your server, skip to this timecode. If your device is in the same subnet as your server, you'll want to put it in DHCP mode. Fresh out of the box, Suprema readers are in DHCP mode, so make sure your device is connected to a DHCP-enabled switch. If your device isn't new and has been previously configured to connect to a different server, you can reset its network settings manually. Instructions on how to reset network settings can be found in its installation guide. Links to installation guides can be found in the description. Before searching, also make sure that you have no firewalls or antivirus software blocking device ports. For more information on how to do so, watch our troubleshooting video, which can be found in the description. If your device is in the same subnet as your server, click Search Device. Select your device and click Add. Click OK. If your device is in a different subnet than your server, there are 3 methods to connect it to your server. If your device has an LED screen, you can configure its network settings on the device. Make sure it is in device to server mode and that the server IP is your server's. If you don't have a device with an LED screen and you don't know its IP, skip to this timecode. If you know its IP, use the advanced search option. Enter the IP and port of your device and click Search. Click Add. Click OK. If you don't know the device's IP or advanced search can't find your device, you need to configure your device from a local laptop, either through a switch or with a direct Ethernet connection. This will ensure that the device is in the same subnet as your laptop, allowing it to be detected. On the laptop, click on the device page. Click Search Device. Your device will appear. Make sure its checkbox is selected and click Set IP. Select Device to Server Connection. Enter your server's IP and click Apply. Click Yes. Now, on your BioStar server, after a couple minutes, once you refresh your page, the device should appear in the waiting devices list. To add it, right-click and select Add Waiting Device. Click OK. Configuration settings will differ between devices. To learn how to configure your device, refer to your BioStar Administrator Guide, which can be found by clicking Help.